unknown men entered this premises and they opened fire on people that were in the premises as well as in the immediate surrounding.
Abantu abathathu bebahlomile badumuze babulala abantu abazithandathu abane balimala bagijinyiselwa esibhedlela kwanobuhle eMpumalanga Kapa.
Phumile mina lapho ngazama ukugibela intaba ngabaleka ngajampa ucingo sengibalekela impilo yami.
Njengayizolo nje adishisa amatruck mabefika besishisa sidele la ebusuku silahlekelwa imphefumulo.
Abachayeli bamatraga bathi sebaphila njengomqasa bathi nabasematrageni balindelana nanyana yini ngombana basahlelwa mihla namalanga.
Ukudlala ibhola kuphela without education it doesn't make sense. Kodwa amakhampani makangenelele ngoba kusasa is not banga pick up abamba professional kuseno bangaba mo engineer kube nabo dokotela kube nani.
Umphakathi wembalenhle sekhunda ukukhuthaza ilutsha ngokuthuthukisa kezemidlalo nangefundo. Siyalochisa emakhaya ngithi laba isingena namakhazakazi la angaphandle kodwa nokho sibawani samukele lochani. Kudunyuzwe kwabulawa abantu abazithandathu kwathi abanye abane balimala esehlakaleni sokudunyuzwa kwabantu ngobuningi lokuchini lwakanobuhle eKariga eMpumalanga Kapa. Bagijinyiselwe esibhedlela izolo ebusuku amapolisa ayaphenya.
Isiganeko sothuse wonke umuntu kwanobuhle amaxhoba phakathi kweminyaka engama-25 kwakunye nama-35 athe asweleka ngemvula yembumbulu.
3 unknown men entered this premises and they opened fire on people that were in the premises as well as in the immediate surrounding. 6 people were shot dead, 4 were injured. Of the 6 that were shot dead, 5 were males and 1 was a female.
Isiganeko sesithathu sokubulawa kwesininzi sabantu kulo masipala umbaxa waseNelson Mandela Bay kulo nyaka. NgoJanuwari kubulawa abantu abasibhozo kwaZakhele. Kwaphinda kwinyanga elandelayo kwabulawa abanye abane kwakule lokishi yakwaZakhele. Ngelixa engabantu abasibhozo abathe badutyulwa babulawa kwiziganeko ezimbini ezahlukeneyo kwanobuhle kulo nyaka upheleyo.
This is a drug den and people know what is going on and sometimes we need them to be the eyes and ears of the police because we cannot be everywhere.
Amapolisa arhanela unobangela wezisiganeko ziziyobisi. Amapolisa aphanda amatyala amathandathu okubulala kwakunye namane okuzama ukubulala okwangoku akabanjwa mntu kwesisiganeko. Kodwa amapolisa sezithendeni zabarhanelwa kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingumcebisi Ngqina ndiseDinarha.
Babalelwa e12 abantu esele bakhonjiwe okulandela umlandelande wezehlakalo zokuchiswa kwamatraga ama-21 emfundeni ezintathu. Ungqongqotshe wamapolisa ubhekicele uthi iphiko lezobuhlakani liveza bona izenzo lezi zizenzo zangabomu ezihleliweko kanti kungenzeka zithindana nebhizinisi. Ucele uyiphayile indaba yokuthi izenzo lezi zithindana nomguruguru wangovela bahlinze ngo-2021.
Inkhulu zamapolisa zithi sandisiwe isibalo samapolisa kizo zonke indlela ezikulu. Kilokho kwenzelwa ukulwa nezenzo zokugiribeza umbuso.
We have increased our highway patrols as the police, especially on those suspected routes. But if you care to see or you care to pay your focus, this attack is on the eastern part of the country.
Imphathimandla zithi sesivuthele ihlangothi lezobuhloli bona liqalisa isizenzo zokusahlelwa kwamatraga.
Intelligence was available but not specific as to where and what. Hence we had deployments already on our highways. We have beefed them up now.
As things stand, there is no evidence before us to suggest that the risk trucks are in any way related to link direction.
Okulandela imiguruguru leyo bama-60 nekhomba abasola bavutshiweko.
Iindaba nayisenjalo abachayeli bamatraga bathi sebaphila impilo yomqasa nabasemsebenzini ngombana bahlala basahlelwa. Lokho kunjengoba sikhuphukile isibalo samatraga achisweko emfundeni ngemfunda. Traga amane endleleni N2 hlangana neEmelo nePiet Retief namhlanje ekseni. Kukholwa bona isiqhema samadoda ahlomileko sikhuphe abachayeli bamatraga ematrageni sabathungelela ngomlilo. Omunye ufumene amanceba okutsha khonapho.
lo mshayeli nakanje uthukwe ubhalelwa nakujama uthi batsho ngomvulo usinde ekufeni eRichards Bay kodwa namhlanje akhanga abe nechudu itraga lakhe lithungelelwe ngomlilo sichema samadoda angazwako
okuninzi kusele kushile netruck yawo ngiphumile mina lapho ngazama ukugibela intaba ngabaleka ngajampa ucingo sengibalekela impilo yami ngokuna ngajampa ucingo ngale mangishona ngale ngingazama ukuthi ngawo ematsheni lapha ngabetheka lapha ngabe sengilala lapho because bese ningasazi ukuthi kwenzakalani sengingasafuna ukuthi ngivele because indaba bese ndikuyo bese emnyama
mana amatraga athungelelwe ngomlilo kwaba nomunye umkhwelo limalaka esihlakalweni nesi uyelatshwe esibhedlela kanti amapolisa ayafunga athazoyifumana ihlanganisela yenilelesi nabasolwa
kwamanje si register umlando we malicious damage to properties ngeva ukuthi bachise amatraga u4 namhlanje ekseni yabo ngabo 5 and okunye futhi ngebhadi usisi lo bekagibelile asazi ukuthi mhlambe kathola lift ushile izinyawo ngale isikhathi yalele lapha kuleni yamatraga
alithoba amatraga athungelelwe ngomlilo esifundeni nesi solo kwangosonto
kanti kwaZulu Natal abatshayeli bamatraka endleleni N2 hlangana neRichards Bay nempangeni bakhombela uhulumende bona abeka amapolisa endleleni ukuthi bavikeleke ngoba sibatshayela ngevalo
asizizwa singaphephile kakhulu sizizwa singaphephile uphepha kwethu impela kukho la njoba sekunesikhathi lento yenzeka mhlanje njengayizolo nje ade kushiswa amatraka mabefika besishisa zidlele la ebusuku silahlekelwa imphefumulo
ubuye ithemba masuke sibone oblue light mabasuke sebenyamalele siba nalo ukuthi ayabona njengamanje akusekho safe
ikampani yabogada endaweni ya ithi kunemleze beyigege enkundleni zokuthintana ethi abatshayeli bamatraka abavela kwamanye amazwe bangahle basahlelwe umonakalo wamatraka amabili atshise emva nje kwaZulu Natal ubalwa ku5 million yamaranda imphathimandla zendawo zithi izehlakalo lezi zikwa nomthelelo omumbi emnothweni
ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuzile bona uthini umbono wakho ngezehlakalo zokusahlelwa nokudlelezelwa kwabatshayeli bamatraga bekutshiswe namatraga nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli
Chisa amatroko abahlale phasi nohulumende batsho ukuthi ngabe bafuna ini ngombana ekuchiseni kwaba amatroko behlisa umnotho weSouth Africa ngoba amatroko la athwala ukudla athwala insipho athwala amalahle kuze umnotho lo usimame
amatraka athuthi impahla ibaleke kakhulu kabi uzokwehla nomnotho mzakaza bayeka nje indaba yokushisa amatraki behlale phansi bebiza uhulumeni bexoxisana
into enihlalelayo kuhulumende wethu ukubana athi xa ngabe ethatha abasebenzi athathe abasebenzi ngokulinganayo angabi nabasebenzi abaninzi bangaphandle ngoba lento yile idala bakutshiswe itrack yenziwa kubekho ubundlobongela
uminister wezabasebenzi fanele achejisise namkha enze ihubhululo kuma company la acasha abantu bangaphandle mkhathi ngiyacabanga ukutshiswa kwamatraga kumthelela ukuthi amakhampani amaningi akasacatsha abantu bangapha eSouth Africa
kudala yakhalazelwa into yoba baqashe abemi bangaphandle ngobuninzi yiyo lento uyawufumanisa isigani kwezikumila konje
imbi kakhulu lento yenziwa ngabantu ukutshisa iloli kuba izawudeda kuba uqoqosho lwethu lento leya
amapolisi makayunyathela amaqanda mahambele phezulu ekhangela le miguvela ethe igqolo utshisa izitruck imisebenzi yabantu lezawuphela nxa bakutshisa itruck baziqhubayo
umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli kanti nasaphethe lezi zokusahlelwa kwamatraga umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthumele umlayezo obukhali kulabo abaphehla izenzo zokusahlelwa kwamatraga wathi lizobachingela ilanga uRamaphosa ubekhuluma emnyanyeni wokuthuthukiswa kwelutsha eNigel ePumalanga eJohannesburg
zimsilingile umengameli indaba zokonewa kwepahla nokuphehuka kwemguruguru okugcine kwenza ukuthi kushiswa amatraga kwaZulu Natal eMpumalanga neLimpopo ufunga uyabheja umengameli wathuza abalungisa umthetho
who are involved in activities like those. The arm and the strong arm of the law is now right about to pounce on them.
Emnyanyeni ebekakhuluma kiwo lo kube nofakazi bengomuso elikarisake bafundi nabasanda ukuthwasiswa bekulithaba eliphekelelwa kuzikhakhazisa kumabatho kaMadile no Macmillan Snyders obekambetha afanelwa zembatho ezihlaza abuyise nangengwani namabhutsu ababi laba ngabaphume phambili kunabo bonke abasanda ukuthwasiswa.
We're going to do a lot because after here we are supposed to go to colleges and we're going to learn different skills. Take me for example, I'm going to be a librarian. I'm going to fall under sports and recreation.
The norm has always been that you matriculate and then you go to university or college, and this is a new vibrant approach from the government to empower the youth.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi unqopho ukukhambiselela ihlelweli belifinyelele nakelinye ilutsha elingasebenziki endaweni zemakhaya bewabawa namabhizinisi neminye imikhakha bona isekele emnothweni wendawo zemakhaya othuthukiswa lilutsha ngokuqatsha abafundi abasanda ukuthwasiswa.
Ihlangano yeCope isusiwe ezikweni elihlolisa inkhampani. Lokho kuvele encwadini yamagqwetha kaWilly Madisha ongumunye wabaholi wehlangano le.
I must say that I personally, and I'm sure many of the Cope members were not aware that Cope was registered as a company. This is news to me. I am shocked that Cope was in fact registered as a company by Mr. Lukota and some other people. But I can confirm because I've seen this letter that came from Mr. Deputy President Madisha and Tate Hleko's lawyers.
Ngokutsho kukaDr uJohan Becker osisazi sezomthetho kunye nerhubhululo le-Institute for Security Studies ukungathathelwa amagadango kwalabo ekukholelwa bona bakubaphehli bemguruguru wangomnyaka ka-2021 kwehlisa kumbi isithunzi sezobuhloli belizwe.
Ngemva kwamalanga abunane kwaphekhuka irawurawu eGauteng naKwaZulu Natal ngovela abahlinze ka-2021 bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amathathu abantu ababhubhela lapho. Umonakalo kulinganisa bona bongafika kumabhiliyoni ngamabhiliyoni wamaranda. Ngemva kweminyaka emibili amapholisa athi kubotshwa abantu abama-36 ekubalwa hlangana nabo umtshotshozeli walokha weFismas Fall ubonginkosi Khanyile nomrhatshi walokha uNgizwe Mchunu.
We have arrested them. They are all in court. Some of them they are on bail. What we are doing with them, we are increasing the charges. We want to move the charges from ordinary incitement and all to terrorism and treason.
Izike elitshetshi imfundo zevikeleko lithi ukuriyade ekubotshweni kwabongqondongqondo berawurawu kumraro omkhulu ephikweni lezokuvikeleka nezobuhloli belizwe.
The public are largely left in the dark about progress in these cases, and they are losing trust and confidence in government and the criminal justice system. So I think it is important that more regular reports are made public about what is being done, what are the possible difficulties of going ahead with these charges.
KwaZulu Natal bathathu abantu abalahlela icala ngezenzo lezi. Umbuso omloyo wavuma iqala lokweba waphosa isigwebo sangaphandle senyanga ezili-18 nama-hour ali-16 wokusebenzela umphakathi ngenyanga. EPhoenix abantwana bomuntu bagwetshwa ukubulala umuntu omutsha bobabili bahlanjululwa eqaleni lokubulala kodwana baqalana neqala lokulinga ukubulala. uBerger uthi amaSewula Afrika asesebumnyameni ngabaphehli berawurawu.
Inhlangano eziphikisa kweLimpopo zithi izenzo zobukhohlakali nokusetshenziswa kwemali ngokudluleleko kumasipalata wePolokwane kufanele kuthathelwe amagadango ngokuhabako. Lokhu kuza ngemva kubona umbiko wephenyo lezesayensi elizijameleko uveze bona kunekhonakalo yokubhadelwa kwabasebenzi abasebenza ama-overtime angaziwako kumasipalata lo.
Iphenyo lezo ngobatsho yokubhadelwa kwabasebenzi ekuthiwa batshoza inithunzi nalabo abasebenza overtime lenziwe ngemva koba nomkhandlu kamasipalata lo uvumelene ngendlela yokusebenza ngenyanga epheleleko. Iphenyo langaphakathi lokubuyekeza liveze bona kunomsebenzi ubhadelwe imali engange-92,000 yamaranda ekuyimali ye-overtime kwaphela. Ngokutsho kwe-Democratic Alliance umsebenzi loyo usebenza njengesotekniki emnyangweni wezegezi.
One person got 92,000 in 1 month. You can imagine, you can appoint more people. We can actually address the unemployment situation in Polokwane and surrounds if we just implemented a proper shift system in place of paying certain employees excessive amounts.
Iphenyo lesayensi elenziwe yikampani yabahlola incwadi abazijameleko iBosman Gilfallan liveze bona abanye abasebenzi akhange bavele nabeqinisekiswa isibalo sabasebenzi. I-EFF ihlathulula umasipalata lo njengomasipalata nobukhohlakali khulu ngeSewula.
We find this municipality to be nothing but the most corrupt in the southern hemisphere.
Umasipalata wePolokwane uthi iphenyo langaphakathi ngembiko yongabhadelwa ngendlela okungiyo kwabasebenzi abasebenza isikhathi esingezelelelweko leyaraga.
We need to investigate whether this overtime is genuine and also whether we've got proper systems.
Ingikhulu embili zijanyisiwe emsebenzini ngokuhlotshanyiswa nezongobatsho lemi.
Nasitsheja ezivela ngaphandle siphethe zithi ilizwe le-Indonesia lizibophelele bona lizokusiza iSouth Africa ngomraro wegezi eqalene nawo. Ungqongqotshe otsheje zelwandle nezamasiso e-Indonesia uLuhut Binsar Pandechan udose phambili imphathiswa zezamabhizinisi ebezinomhlangano nemphathiswa zombuso weSouth Africa.
Inarha ye-Indonesia ingusihlalo wanjenganje we-G20 kanti izokudlulisela indaba enarheni ye-India ngomnyaka ozako. Ungqongqotshe uBinsana bekakhulumisana nombikindaba we-SABC uSophie Mkwena umemezele nokubana umengameli we-Indonesia uzokukhambela umhlangano we-BRICS ozokubanjelwa eJohannesburg enyanga ezako.
There are maybe two ministers next August in Indonesia to have a look what happened in Indonesia. So hopefully by them they're going back to South Africa. We can finalize, for instance, like electricity. How do we going to help to provide power plant to reduce the gap, shortage electricity here like for 6 gigawatt. That is collaboration ongoing.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa njengosihlalo weBRICS umema abaholi beSewula esathuthuka kubona bakhambela umhlangano wangoqadi umhlangano omkhulu wenkhulu zenarha nombuso weBRICS.
Kezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Isikhama somphakathi wembalenhle wesekunda eMpumalanga sibuthene sakha ingomisa elihle lelutsha lendawo leya ngezemidlalo nezefundo. Isikhama sisibawe elinye isekelo elizakuza ngamajima wezemidlalo elizakuvala isikhala sokuhlogeka kwamathuba wokuthuthukisa abantu abatsha.
Idrobha elincaneli lihlangabezana neentshijilo ezifana nokuthondela kwamathuba ezefundo, izinsiza zemidlalo esihlayelako kunye nokuhlela kwezinye insiza ukulekelela abantu abatsha. Kodwa lezinye izakhamuzi zembalenhle ziyabhala ukwamukela ubunjalo bendawo leya. Babona amandla amumethwe ngezemidlalo nefundo ngikho bathoma amanye amajima ukuthuthukisa umphakathi wangikhabo. Bathoma ihlelo labantwana lokuthi bazibandakanye ngezemidlalo ngokusebenzisa ifundo lapho inkampani zendawo ziphakamisa abantu abatsha khona.
Talent must be coupled with educational background. So that is why we look into those young individuals who are doing good at school and sponsor them into motivating them as to why it is important for them to do well at school.
Ukudlala ibhola kuphela without education it doesn't make sense. Kodwa ama-company makangenelele ngoba kusasa is not bangapick up ama-professional kuseno bangaba ama-engineer kube nabodokotela kube nani while bafunda ama-company funeka angenelele kakhulu for ukubachaza.
Ukurarulula iintshijilo ezihlukahlukene kwendaweni ezihlagako, iinkampani ezimbalwa ziyaraga nokutshala imali emahlelweni wezemidlalo ukusiza abantu abatsha bona barage ngokuzibandakanya kwezemidlalo. Kunye nokwakhela ilutsha elineentshijilo indawo eziphephileko. Indawo ezemidlalo zomphakathi zibuya godu zibe zindawo la umphakathi ungahlanganela khona.
Bolo e ntsha bana diterateng e ba ntsha ntho tse ngata. Bana ba qetella ba hola ka tsela e right ka lebaka la hore ha ba kene ntho tse ngata. Mara once ngwana a dutse ka tlung o tla nna ba palaetseng ha tswela ka ntle mo thetswa ke bagotsi o ikela kae kae sa nwa majwala sa tsuba disigarete bo matekwane nthonyana tse jwalo.
Ingasikade nje amabhizinisi azokufuna ukuhlanganisa insiza banikele ngimfundaze abe asungula amahlelo wangemva kokuphuma kwesikolo ukusiza abafundi ngimphumela abo. Ngensizizi ilwazi kunye namandla banawo bathemba ukuthi bazokuba lisize elihle bachukulula impilo yelutsha ngaphezulu kwamabhizinisi abawenzako.
Siphelela lapha namhlanje sihlangane godu ngelesihlanu. Kusasa zizabe zikhona ngalesi sikhathi ngelimi leSiswati. Nisale kuhle.